In this video, you'll learn how to find BEP20 tokens on Trust Wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to navigate the wallet interface and access the desired tokens efficiently. Begin by launching the Trust Wallet application on your device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as a poor connection may hinder the loading of the app and affect your overall experience. Once the app is open, look for the swap option on the main interface. This is typically located on the bottom navigation bar. Tapping on swap will direct you to the trading interface where you can exchange different tokens. Next, you will need to select the option that allows you to choose your input token. Tap on the section that says from, and then select BNB Smart Chain. This is essential as BEP20 tokens are managed under the Binance Smart Chain network. After selecting BNB Smart Chain, you will see a new area where you can choose the token you wish to swap from. Click on the To section, which allows you to select the token you want to receive in exchange. At this point, you need to click on Select Token. A list of available tokens will appear. This is where you can find BEP20 tokens. To make your search easier, you can type BNB in the search bar provided. Once you have located BNB in the list, tap on it to select it as your token. After confirming your selection, you will return to the swap interface where you can enter the amount you wish to swap. Finally, click on the swap button to initiate the transaction. Keep in mind that the time it takes to process the swap may vary based on network congestion. Ensure you have sufficient BNB for transaction fees. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.